Adrian, right? It's an earth strap. It's flexible and all this. You can shorten it, lengthen it, or whatever. I can even sleeve it if you want me to, whatever. This now is going to go on the negative side of the battery, which is usually that side. So if it does come into contact, that doesn't matter, and that is long enough then, right? But I've noticed something in the engine bay which concerns me. Your fuel filter. Alright, bit of movement there, fracture, hot fuel pissing out in the engine. Disaster waiting to happen. That's a fire, right? I've been there, done that. You don't want it to happen, right? Especially, I know you love your bus, you definitely don't want it to happen. You want to put a longer piece of pipe here, flexible pipe, right, with proper fuel clips, not these Jubilee clips. And you want to come out that grommet. It's a good thing you've got a grommet, because that stops any chafing of the pipe against the metalwork. Another recipe for disaster. And you want that fuel filter outside the van, in a position where it doesn't vibrate and move around. If the worst does happen and it splits, it pours fuel onto the road, not onto a hot engine. Alright, mate? So get that sorted. Another thing you want to get sorted as well is this battery. Right, it's not secured down. It needs to be. I don't know if there's a bracket there or not, but it does need to be secured down. That's the test point for the diagnosis. Also, I can diagnose this system. You need a clamp over here for the sledge battery. Going to be fitting here as well. All right, mate. You've got a slight fuely smell in here as well. I don't know if it's these, possibly it's those, right? But it could also mean that your vent pipes need replacing. There's a couple tucked. This is fuel vapor expansion. That's those funny vessels are in the I don't know if you can see this now because it's brilliant. I'm looking. See that there? Fuel in your tank expands, and that's so these vessels are here. They allow for that expansion, right? Well, all those pipes are joined in various locations. There are rubber bands, and one of them is here. I think that's just a protection, right? I think there are more on the ends here as well. When I go around the corner, I think there are anyway. We'd have to check. But that needs replacing, and this here should go into the carb. What I would do is I would drill the top of one of those and put a little nipple on it and pipe that into it, because as it is now, we've got a chance of fuel vapor causing you a problem. The engine bay looks in good nick, mate. It's nice. Apart from these things I've already pointed out to you. That needs pushing back into the position behind. There's a little rubber thing it goes onto, and it's probably out of line. This needs addressing, and these. But you know, worth doing. Right, this is my shonky also. I've never used it before, but it's very awkward to get a 95mm hole saw. And this is, I'll just check with measure tape. I've compared it with the vent. It seems the right size, right? That is 95, yeah? Cock on. So, how handy is that then? Right, what I need to do now, I was looking at this, only one of these you can use as a pipe vent, the other one you can't. You'd have to buy one of those adapters. So my looking at it is, if I put them in line like I said originally, I can always add another one later on. but this is the plan. That is 54 exactly, 154 exactly, which is 50, 75, 77, 77 is there, right? Measure down here. In fact, that's sloping up, so I won't do that. I have to get it straight edge. Right, I want this not too low, about there. Yeah, that will do nicely. So what I do now is drill a hole there, pilot hole. Slightly off there. How the fuck did I do that? Right. Alright, let's try this chunky if I can also. It's working a treat. Yeah, it's not bad, is it? Yeah. It's going dark early as well, isn't it? But a couple of weeks now I'll have the ice. You'll have to watch yourself then. That's the way. No, you don't. No, definitely not. It hurts. Oh, look at that. Hardly any wobbleization. That's beautiful. So, you know, keep all my old scrap. I got 20 quid the other day for it. And 20 quid is better than a poke in the eye in my book. Right. That is level. Right, then I'll do this now so the air angles up. Here we are. You can adjust that whatever you want it now. Boo! Hiya! There he is. Catch your dad? Oh. Let me see the camper. What's this? Good mommy then. See you in a minute. Bye bye. Yeah, nice sir. I'm thinking. Cut this here. Right, we stand to lose the light now. So we do put my finger out of it. I put my measure there. Right, that is 35mm off the floor. 35mm. The reason I take those inserts out is because if they're not straight, they throw your eye off. And I want my to look straight. And this one downwards. So hopefully the air pulls in will be from here, so it'll be slightly warmer. That's about that, let's put it down. And I think you'll agree, that looks good. I'm going to tidy this up under here, and there's a piece to go in down there, right? Oh, I still haven't fitted that, bollocks. It's too late now, but you can see, that looks good. Right, let's get this chunky one away and